Hi, hello, welcome to Anandi's Cuisine. Today's recipe, mango pudding, can be made with just 1 cup of milk. My recipe does not use any agar-agar or gelatin. This dessert is best served cold, so enjoy relishing this pudding during the hot summer days. Take around 2 to 3 mangoes. When making the mango pulp, do not add any water or milk. We need 1½ cup of mango puree. In a non-stick pan, add 3 tablespoons corn flour, 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons milk powder and 1 cup room temperature milk. First, whisk all 3 until lump-free. Then switch on the heat at this point and in low heat, whisk until it thickens. I did not realize my camera was off and I missed shooting the mixture thickening. Switch off the gas at once and let the mixture cool down and whisk for 30 seconds before adding the mango puree and 1 tablespoon unsalted butter. Whisk until well blended. Then add ½ cup sugar, ½ teaspoon cardamom powder and 1/4 teaspoon salt. If using salted butter, then avoid adding the salt. Mix until the sugar has dissolved completely. Keep this aside. Take a chilled bowl and add ½ cup cold whipping cream. Whisk a little and add 1 teaspoon almond essence. You can substitute with vanilla essence, but adding almond essence makes this whipping cream taste better in this dessert. Once soft peaks are formed, add 2 teaspoons powdered sugar and optional some yellow food coloring gel. When whipping, be careful as the window frame between stiff peaks forming and the cream turning into butter is tiny. Even whisking 10 seconds extra can spoil this cream. To assemble this pudding, in a bowl add some Parle-G biscuits or any biscuits of your choice, the mango mixture, some chopped dry fruits, again on top some biscuits and the rest of the mango mixture. Then place it in the freezer for 30 minutes. This step is important. After 30 minutes, add the whipping cream on top and spread evenly and as neatly as possible. Chilling it in the freezer for 30 minutes makes it so much easier to spread it without spoiling the mango mixture layer. Garnish on top with some chopped dry fruits and some candied red cherries. Cover and refrigerate at least for 4 hours. I will recommend overnight just to be sure it has set well. Our mango pudding is ready. If by chance you have made some mistakes or the mango pudding has not set properly, I will share a small trick. Just place the mango pudding in the freezer for 45 minutes just before serving. Please try my recipe once. If you liked my recipe, please subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.